Stop doing MBA. Must be wondering why I'm stopping you towards MBA. The idea is to tell you, if you have decided for your MBA, you should be knowing about which specialization to go for. Choosing an MBA institution and entering in an MBA institution or a PGDM institution without knowing the specialization, it's like going in a battle without any weapons and without any strategy. So stop doing that. Today, I thought, why not to cover this particular area, because we get this question across India from across students who are looking for management, who are thinking about PGDM. They are first of all confused about which institutions, but I guess the first confusion you should be solving is about specialization. When you know the specialization, it will become easy to choose an MBA institution or a PGDM institution. So today we have jot down certain pointers. I have prepared certain pointers which will help you in taking this crucial decision, because choosing the right MBA specialization is a big decision. It can shape your career. It can give you a potential in terms of your salary. It can give you a balanced life. So let's understand how and which student, how he or she can decide which specialization and what is the meaning of that specialization. Are they matching with my career goals? So I'll take you towards a step-by-step process which will help you in taking this. So first and foremost, I guess the first point we should be understanding, we should be checking is self-assessment. Now, why I say self-assessment? Because you have done your graduation, you have done your schooling, you know your strength, you know your weakness. So ask yourself what subjects you like the most, what task you like the most. Are you a good communicator? Do you have leadership skills? You want to work in corporates, or you want to develop your entrepreneurial skills? So, do I prefer corporate roles? Do I prefer working for non-for-profit organization? What should I prefer? Because till the time you'll have this self-assessment, you can never understand what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Because knowing your strengths, knowing your weakness is very important when you choose a specialization. Now, somebody will ask me, sir, if I ask you what is marketing as a specialization, it's very difficult to explain somebody who has not witnessed it. So I'll give you certain key points in this. When you ask me how to know your specialization, what is this specialization? Marketing, somebody who is a creative thinker, somebody who can communicate well can go for marketing. You talk about finance, somebody who is into detail analytical skills, who understands, who does detailing, who is into, you talk about understanding the data, going into detail, can choose finance. Human resources, everybody knows, people oriented, people who are empathetical, understand, people's problem, can solve it, should definitely go for human resources. Operations, supply chain, again, logical thinkers, process focused, people who are good in supply chain, who are good in understanding how this whole loops work, can actually choose. Information technology, IT, tech oriented, tech savvy, problem solvers, entrepreneurships, people who are innovators, can also choose family business if they are into business, but again depends on what sort of business their family is running. Healthcare is very simple specialization. People who are interested in healthcare management, healthcare facilities, labs related to healthcare only can actually choose healthcare management. Strategy consulting, people who are big picture thinkers, out of the box thinking. Again, innovation will be added to this. So this will complete our common specializations. We can discuss about newest specializations in our next video. Now, the next step is match it with your career goals. Now, every single individual has a different career goal. If you have not thought about career goals, it's very important to sit down and understand what career goals you have decided for yourself. Is it you're looking for an high paying jobs? Go for finance, consulting, or analytics. If you're looking for if you're creative, you have communication, go for marketing, as I have already discussed. You are good with people, you are good with building strategies, go for HR. You want to run your own business, join entrepreneurships, you want to travel across the globe, go for international business. Now people will ask me, sir, is it matching with the what is going on, what is the current trend? See, right now we have talked about students who have already passed out. Current trend should be from 2025 till 2030. Yes, AI is shaping up. You talk about stability, you can choose finance, you can choose consulting. You talk about top in demand, analytics is there, digital is there, AI is there, because AI is right now ruling the market, what I believe. Then the next step is research your target B school. See, when you know the specialization, you know your career goals. Now, I guess this is the right time to choose a right institution. Just to give few examples so that you'll understand, IIM Ahmedabad, lot of finance and strategists are being produced by IIM Ahmedabad. You talk about Bangalore, consulting, entrepreneurship. You talk about Narsi Munji, marketing and HR people, they're getting good jobs, good production is happening. When you talk about 2 years of MBA, you talk about construction management, NICMAR is ruling India. You talk about ISB, they are into analytics and strategy. So choose a right institution when you know your specialization. Now, you must be thinking, सर नहीं समझ आ रहा है, अभी भी स्पेशलाइजेशन क्लियर नहीं हुई, अभी भी करियर गोल इतने क्लियर नहीं है, क्या मैं मार्केटिंग लेके वो कर सकता हूं? I'll give you a cheat code. Talk to professionals who are passed out from this institution. They're already working. LinkedIn is the right platform. Speak to the alumni. If somebody has passed out from an institution and opted marketing, how their day looks like. Are they doing the same what they have done, what they thought of doing it, or they are not? So LinkedIn, talk to the alumni, professionals is very important. ये भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है, अगर सर LinkedIn पे भी बात कर ली है, प्रोफेशनल से भी बात कर ली है, नहीं समझ आ रहा, अभी भी चीजें क्लियर नहीं हुई, कुछ एक चीज रह गई है, बिकॉज अगेन MBA PGDM is one decision. Choosing a specialization is a very and very crucial decision. Sir, spending 20-25 lakhs, 30 lakhs is not easy. We'll be in debt. अगर specialization सही नहीं choose हुई, placements अच्छी नहीं हुई, what needs to be done? What I certainly believe, there are a lot of short-term courses, monthly courses, quarterly courses. If you're so sure about MBA, if you're so sure about getting into MBA, specialization sure नहीं है, आपको पता है 2 years के life के बहुत important है, this will never come back because after masters only 0.001% students will go for PhD as per the survey. Go for this short-term courses, monthly courses. It will give you an idea. There are a lot of sample papers available in market. There are a lot of surveys. You can read it, understand if your expertise are matching. Choose marketing, finance, IT, no matter which specialization you choose. Choose as per your strength and weakness with your passion is very, very important. I'll give you a small example. I've heard a lot of students, sir, us college ki placements achhi thi. Somebody told me choose marketing. There is nobody who can tell you. Only you can talk about yourself. You know your strengths and weakness. Nobody can take 30 minutes of survey can tell you your strength lies in marketing, finance, IT, AI. I can choose AI, but I don't know how to use AI. It will not be fruitful. At the end of the day, you have to perform well during placement interview. How would you do it? So match your passion, match your career goal, match with the right specialization and the right institution. They all go hand in hand. They are directly proportionate to each other. So again, I'll end my video by saying choosing the right specialization is very important. We spend a lot of time on researching about placements. We spend a lot of time on researching about institutions, but we haven't researched much on specializations. I guess that should be the first step towards, and it should start from your graduation journey. If not, when you're preparing towards MBA, at least start working on that. So I wish you all the best. If you have liked this video, subscribe and like. This will give us motivation and create such videos. And still the answers are not solved. You have the comment box. Write a comment. We will get back to you. You can call us. I'm sure we'll be in a position to solve your query. Thank you so much and all the best.